Hello everybody, my name is Phoenix Fire and welcome back to Pokemon White 2 Nuzlocke Challenge. Yes, on the last episode we made it to Virbank City and we bumped into Roxy, talking to her father, and pretty much since then I've just been just healed up my team and stuff. But just to make sure of that. Also, 1 second, while she's healing up my team, I'm just going to sort out this blurriness. There we go. And the image looks a lot better than last time, in my opinion. Yep, restored your Pokemon to full health. Thank you, Nurse Joy. Right, in this episode, we're pretty much just going to be doing some training. Now, I know it's not the most exciting of episodes and stuff, but hey ho. Yes, also last time we caught a new team member, which is, hang on. Yep, which is Avery, the Pidove, which is normal flying type. And yeah. Basically, if you haven't watched the last one yet, go check that out. But yeah, the reason why I've called it Avery isn't because it's a bird pun or whatever, even though it kind of is. No, it's for the simple fact of there's a character in Charlotte's Web called Avery. That's pretty much it. Also, yes, you'll notice at the start of our team is Blair now. Yeah, sadly on the last episode we lost Crisp. But hey, as the last episode of the title, wow. As the last title of the episode, I'll get it right eventually. As the title of the last episode shows, we gained one and lost one. Yeah, we gained a Pidove and we lost Crisp, unfortunately. Anyway, I'll have Blair use Assist. More or less like Metronome, only Assist uses just the attacks in our party. Scratch. Pretty growl. Alright. Man, this Pidove's got a bit of health. Although Blair is just level 11, but yeah. Wow. Alright then, gonna switch things up a bit. Come on out, Kimber! Bit of you there again, lowering attack. No defense. Kimber should use Bite for the finishing blow, and Pidove is down. Kimber gained 42 points, Blair gained 42 points. Woo! Oh, cool. Yep. Blair wants to learn Fury Swipes, which is cool because we will get rid of Scratch. 1, 2, and ta-da! Blair forgot how to use Scratch, and Blair learned Fury Swipes. Awesome. Now, as well as this grass in the Virbank complex, wow, we have this awesome music for a start. Hey there, trainer. It looks like you've got energetic Pokemon there with you. Can I ask a favour? I need to get the workers in this complex fired up. How about it? Help a guy out, will ya? Yeah, that's what I like to hear. There are some new workers here in the complex. Go to those 3 raring to go. Get those 3 raring to go. Okay, and pretty much by what he means by that is have a battle with them. Alright, time for a Pokemon battle. Let's begin. Finally, someone who knows something relating to battles rather than just like... I like riding a bike. It feels good when I go over bumps. What? Anyway, yeah, here we have a level 13 Lillipup against Blair. Okay then. I'm going to use assist just to see what she does, rather. Bite, ooh, good choice. Okay. Huh, let's have a dog fight, shall we? I'm sorry. Alright, you bite me, I bite you back. Ooh, but twice as hard apparently. Bite. Oh. Hey. Also, question of the day is, what Alolan Pokemon would you like to see? Hey, it's a Growlithe! But unfortunately I can't catch it because I already got a bit of. Wait, yes I can actually, hang on. Because the area outside the Virbank complex is a new area compared to the inside of the Virbank complex, because that's an area and this is the actual complex, so I could catch Growlithe! Thank God! I love Growlithe! And yes, I know you meant to weaken the Pokemon first, but you never know. Well, that was lucky. But fuck yeah. Growlithe, the puppy Pokemon. Height 4.2 feet. Extremely loyal to its trainer, it will bark at those who approach the trainer unexpectedly and run them out of town. Wow. Hence why Growlithe make great police dogs. Give a nickname to Growlithe? Oh yeah. Oh, so yeah, what I was saying was, before I ran into that Growlithe, very ironically, what Alolan Pokemon would you people like to see? My top choice, of course, is an Alolan Eevee, because then, if they do an Alolan Eevee, then that particular Eevee could evolve into the other types that we haven't had yet from an evolution. You know, dragon, steel, bug, normal, poison, ground, rock. I think that's it. I probably missed one. Oh yeah, flying. Yeah, no, I think that's it. I probably have missed one, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, now we're battling one of the workers to try and get him. Oh. To try and get him back up and running. Bite. Oh no. Also, Return has a lovely sound effect. Yeah, I just got Blaze. Oh, which has an Avery apparently. Which has an item apparently. Good. But yeah, the reason why I don't want to keep on attacking Patrat with Blair is you just learn Bide, and if you don't know what Bide does, as I said just there, it stores energy, which pretty much means that the more I hit Patrat when he's using Bide, when he actually uses Bide, it means that all the energy, all the attack power I've hit Patrat for will go straight back to it. But luckily we only hit Patrat once. But yeah. Yeah, go Blaze! Yep, that's what I've decided to call Growlithe. Gee, I wonder why. Patrat's down. Go on, Blaze. Elekid, ooh. Yes, Elekid, an electric type. And it's one of the new baby Pokemon that was introduced in Gen 2. Yeah, Gen 2. And it evolves into Electabuzz and then eventually into Electivire. Low kick. Oh. Oh, okay. Cool. Now we've got to be careful here not to use any physical moves on Elekid, because all electric types could have static, which pretty much means that if we do hit him with a physical attack, not a special attack, the attacking Pokemon could become paralysed. Yeah. Yeah, sorry, sorry it went away. The door beeped. It was a postman, by the way, just don't worry. Anyway, yeah, and I've also switched to Avery. I know that this is a very risky manoeuvre, as Elekid is an electric type. And I didn't use an electric move on me. Yes, so Elekid is down. Thank you, Avery. Cool, Avery gained 301 points. Holy hell. Woo! Level 11. Awesome. Quick attack. That would have been helpful. Yeah, that is cool. I completely forgot. If I don't work really hard, my Pokemon won't have a chance to shine. Alright, time to get back to work. Yep, cool. Also, yeah, after that battle, I think I'm going to go back to the Pokemon Center and heal up. If I could actually find the Pokemon Center, that would be extremely helpful. But yeah, we managed to catch a new Pokemon. We've got one of the workers up and running again, which is awesome. Yeah, also for the rest of the workers, I think I'll buy some items. Super potion, how many do I have? None. I can afford 3. I'll get 1 because, you know, I don't want to be too greedy. Yes, there we go. Back out towards all the workers and that awesome music. Yeah, this music though. No, already been that way. There'll be another worker, so I'm gonna have to go the long way around. Yep, already fought you, buddy. Oh, bugger. Yeah, we will get there eventually, people, don't worry. Oh, there's a Pokemon in the grass. Yeah, sorry, I had to look in there because normally when the grass shakes like that, it's a rare Pokemon, and there's an Ordino. Wow. Well, I did run into a rare one. Yes, Ordino is a pretty rare sight, especially in the wild. And Ordino is a normal type. But you know what? Just because it's a normal type doesn't mean it can't be a pain in the butt. Or be a brick. Apparently. Okay, let's use return. See how much health you've got. Okay, double slap. Okay. Ow. Good job that I didn't hit Blair 5 times. Jesus Christ, Ordino. Alright, Blair, come back. Go, Blaze. Intimidate. Cool. Lowers Ordino's attack. Ow. Don't hit my doggy. You know, I could just run from this battle. Yes, cool. Ordino's burnt as well. Awesome. But no, I'm not not going to, because, you know, old Blazy Boy's just come into the team and he needs a bit of training. Huh. Good thing you used that super potion, Jesus. I don't know, it's burnt as well as all the damage that we're going to do. By the way, Blaze's attacks are Raw, Ember, Odor, Sleuth and Leah. You're not that impressive yet, but just wait. Alright, so you healed from your burn. Okay, I'll just use Ember again and hopefully it'll burn you again. Okay. And Ordino is finally down, Jesus Christ. 585 XP. Oh my god, that was... That's a lot of XP. Jesus Christ. Alright. Yeah, what time is it? It is nearly 8:30. Okay, cool. I think I'll have one more battle against this other worker, and then I'm going to leave this episode here. Every day is the same. I get bored when things don't change, so I don't mind battling you. Charming. But yeah, as I was saying, oh, Nathan. Oh god. After this battle, I'm going to leave this episode here, so... Get ready, Blair versus Auden. Hey, look. Riolu, wow. Yeah, at the moment it's just a fighting type, but, yeah, Riolu does evolve into Lucario, which is a fighting type, so... Fighting and steel type. I didn't mean to press run. Fighting and steel type, wow, finally. So now Blazy Boy. Intimidate to cut your attack. Faint. I think that's a dark type move. Anyway. Ember. Oh dear. Counter, but it failed. Good, good. Yeah. Unfortunately for little Riolu, its only fighting type move is counter. And yeah. Use a Lillipup. Okay, cool. Ember will get. Sorry for the Ember spam, but it's Growlithe's only attacking move it's got. Okay. Alright then, let's have another dog fight, even though we kind of already were. Yep, that Lillipup's down, and woohoo! Yes! Cool! Kimber's now level 14. Awesome. Nope. It's okay if every game's the same when I'm working on this complex. It means there aren't any problems. Yeah, that's... You could look at it that way. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. But yeah, like I said, after a battle like that, I'm going to end this episode here. So yes, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new, even subscribe. That would be amazing. But yes, until the next video, have a good one. Bye!